Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and once again, I cannot believe the size of this Happy Meal. Who is this from? Dory at Dory's Dollies. It is 40 inches long. Oh my goodness, 8 inches tall and 10 inches wide. What could it be? We have done a three-way gift exchange. Dory, Ayla, Dory from Dory's Dollies, Ayla Avar, and I. And I've had this one quite a few days, and I have had Ayla's for, God, a couple weeks. But I'm waiting, God love them, they were waiting on me to get something off to them. And I wanted to sew a few things, and I'm kind of backed up on I've got dolls lined up waiting their day. Oh my God. Dory, again, it's like that Sheldon or the Big Bang episode. I need to send you more. Oh my God. Look at this. There's another box within. Oh my God, my cats are gonna love.
And there's a note in there I saw.
Oh, my cats are going to love you, Dory. Love, love, love you. I changed their boxes. I don't know. I just feel like they're dirty. And there is not a note. Oh wait, here it is. Here it is, here it is, here it is. Merry Happy Meal, Morna. It's got X's and O's, Dory's from Dory. Thank you so much. Oh gosh, I feel bad. I didn't send that much. Oh, what do we have here? Let me see. I don't know how to open this, girl. I say girl because Dory did say she. There we go. Oh my goodness, she's so boxed. Here we go.
It's like a Russian doll.
Like a what?
The Russian dolls.
Oh, wow. Look who I got. There's more inside. There is more inside. Oh, her crown. Let me turn it around and make sure. You know what? If I put this for the cats, I'm telling you, they will get in there and together. I think I'll open both ends. Wow, I love her. I just did a cleanup and face up on a doll that is darker skinned than this one, but this same style with the glitter and the pink in the hair. Isn't she gorgeous? Isn't she gorgeous? If you don't know, I have sorry, sweetie. I do have a large collection of big Barbies. This is a 28 inch. Oh God, Dory, she's gorgeous. Gorgeous. And these dolls are articulated in the hands and the elbows. Isn't that cool? She can hold things. She can brush her hair. She can go, let's see. No, she can't. She can go, oh my God, like that. But she can't touch her face over here. How cute is this doll? Oh my God, I didn't send enough. Look at this beautiful hair. Oh, I love her. I started to say I have a large collection of not only 28-inch Barbies, but also 36-inch Barbies that I show not often enough on my channel. I have several 28-inch Barbies still in the box. I love them. I can't help it. I love them. They're fun to sew for. If you're thinking about getting one, do. They're just fun. Look at that. She can scratch her head. Dory, I love her. I love you. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you. Visit Dory's channel. Dory has an amazing channel of all kinds of dolls, different dolls. High-end dolls, play dolls. Dory does not discriminate. She's like me, she loves them all. If she likes a doll, she buys it. Doesn't matter if it's high end or low end or Dollar Tree or whatever. We just like dolls. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Dory, again, thank you. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.